Hello, welcome friends. So, answer of this case. So, in this case, I used the Phatak repertory and I consider the pathology. As we all know, Phatak repertory is based on the principle of generalization, grand generalization, and in this case, we are going to see how to use this principle of generalization. Okay, so whenever we see a case of prominent pathology, we are getting the pathological symptoms, we use the Phatak repertory. So I consider the pathology first, that is retention of urine. So I took that rubric for as first, retention of urine. So urine retained, that is the rubric. After that, I considered the characteristic modalities. So here, if you see the case, the retention is maximum in the morning after waking on. So there is one rubric in Phatak, awakening aggravation. So what Phatak does, if you have morning aggravation or aggravation on waking on in the morning, abdominal pain, headache, or any kind of pain or anything you are suffering is getting aggravated in the morning on waking on, you can take the rubric awakening. That is how we have to generalize the thing. You have to generalize the symptom. Okay. And second the emulating modality was he has to walk. After walking 10-15 minutes, he could pass the urine. So walking emulation is there for urinary retention. So urinary retention, walking emulation is actual symptom. But when we look into the Phatak repertory, we have to generalize the rubric. And in the Phatak repertory, we have to see motion, walking, emulation. So this is how we generalize the symptom in Phatak repertory. So I took awakening aggravation, that is aggravation in the morning waking on, and walking, motion, walking, emulation. So these are the three rubric I took, and the fourth rubric I took of the mental concomitant we have in the case. If you see, with the retention, when he came into clinic, he was very restless, he was very hurried, he was moving continuously, he was sitting on the edge, right? So we could see the restlessness and his hurry. He was talking also very fast. So I chose rubric hurry, impatience. So I put all these four rubrics in the repertory. So when we put this rubric in Phatak repertory, we will get two medicines, arsenic and tarantula, covering all these four rubrics. So when you take the references from Materia Medica, if you read Phatak Materia Medica in arsenic, Phatak says there is atony of bladder in old person, and there is bladder as if paralyzed after parturition. So if you see, there is paralysis like condition or atony of bladder is there, is the pathology of arsenic. Because of that, you can see the retention in arsenic. And in tarantula, if you see tarantula, in tarantula it is very characteristic, very single medicine rubric, beautiful rubric you will get in Phatak. So if you open the Phatak repertory, urine retained, music emulation, single medicine tarantula is given. And if you refer other rubrics also, so whistling emulation or music emulation or listening the water emulation for retention is there for tarantula, right? And if you see the Materia Medica, so there are no much references in tarantula regarding the retention in urine in Materia Medica. But in for arsenic, you will get the exact references also, atony or bladder paralyzed, and the restlessness, hurry, and you can see the impatience of the patient or the anxiety from the restlessness. And all we know that arsenic is well known for anxiety, restlessness. Arsenic is one of the medicine in the triad of restlessness. So I thought of arsenic and I gave him arsenic 200 in repeated doses, BD for 1 week, and he responded very beautifully to arsenic. His retention and his restlessness gone within 2-3 days, and he was very happy. And added to this, he became very calm. So he is on psychiatric medicines for his schizophrenia, right? But he was not taking homeopathic treatment. But after this result, he got trust on homeopathy, he got trust on me. He started coming regularly for follow-up, and he is still on arsenic. So this is the beauty of homeopathy. When you see a acute intense state, you can get the constitutional or chronic medicine of the patient also. So in this case, I got arsenic. Now also I am continuing him arsenic in frequent doses, and he is responding well to arsenic. He has become very calm. His episodes are of hallucinations also decreased, and now we are thinking of reducing his psychiatric medicines also. So this is the beauty of Phatak repertory. So definitely you also think of using Phatak repertory with the principle of generalization. Thank you.